Ithi ifumene izikhalazo ezili-112 kumasebe e-ANC kweliphondo. Nangona kunjalo, uninzi lwezi zikhalazo zisonjululwe ikomiti yezikhalazo, kodwa kwafunyanwa izibheno ezingama-40. Ezinye izibheno zisonjululwe, nto leyo ihlahlela indlela ukuze kubanjwe le nkomfa.
Currently, in terms of the province, we are ready for the conference, as we have said that the date that we have set up from the 12th until the 14th, these are dates for conference. So in between that, there will be registration, there will be the starting of the conference. We are still dealing with those matters just to conclude on the program. But the main issue that we are dealing with is that the national is busy itself concluding in terms of the appeals. Right? Verdicts are being issued. We have received the first 10 verdicts that came in out of about 40.
Le komiti ithi inethemba lokuba le nkomfa izakuba ngaphandle kwamaginxiginxi.
We wish to see a conference of the ANC in the Northwest, free from all of this culture that we all know that normally when certain activities of this nature happen, then there will be chaos in the province. In fact, this time around, we believe strongly that the work that we have done and the opportunity given to our members, to appeal and to lodge their disputes cannot be more emphasized, but it's something that we really appreciate very much.
Umhlalutyi wezopolitiko kwiYunivesithi Emntla Ntshona ukholelwa ukuba izakuba nokhuphiswano lumandla le nkomfa.
I think the main contenders are going to be Bushy Mape and Nono Molloy. My concern, however, is that the province is very much divided. We have seen conflict and instability in some parts of the province, and hopefully this time we can be successful in terms of an elective conference for the ANC.
Kulindeleke ukuba luqalise ngomso ubhaliso lwale nkomfa ngelixa iza kuvulwa ngokusesikweni ngoMgqibelo.